Gita Sai from 6th class B section. Honorable Headmaster, respected teachers, and my dear brothers and sisters, Happy Independence Day. I would like to tell you a few sentences about Independence Day. Many great leaders such as Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, etc. sacrificed their lives. Finally, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, India got
independence
on 15th August 1947.
now we
Now we have been enjoying the fruits of their sacrifices. So it is our duty to remember and recollect
their sacrifices